Hello people on the internet. My name is Rishi and welcome to a new video on my channel. So you all must have seen the thumbnail and the title of the video, and this is officially a little big ride. Big ride of 2026. Obviously more rides are gonna come, but this one is a bit special. It's 30th of March. It's 4:56 to be precise. I'm going to Wakad to meet Mayur. We'll connect and then we'll be heading to Ganpatipule. Coastal ride. It's going to be fun. I am really excited. He is excited, and we are going to see how things go. So we'll be going through Tamini Ghat. Obviously our aim is to cover the ghat as soon as possible, and also it's quite cold. Yesterday it was quite breezy and cloudy, so definitely the weather seems to be on our side, and it was really hot the entire month. Like, it's just the end of March and it is so hot. So I hope it stays like this, because we are going beach side. It's definitely going to be humid, but we are going to enjoy, and there are going to be a few spots which we'll cover, and I'll talk about that ahead in the video. So right now I'm just heading towards the Dange Chowk road so that Mayur and I could connect our intercom, and then we'll be ready to go. So we are just waiting for Mayur. Today's setup is quite clean. I just have my tank bag and top box. You know, you just plan trips for 2 or 3 days, but yet you feel as if you've not packed enough, and I've clearly overpacked is what I feel. This is Mayur, my friends, GGMU gang. Intercoms are paired, and we are ready to leave. It is 6:23 on the clock, and we've covered a very good speed despite of Shubham not being with us. So Shubham, if you're watching, you know riding 180 is not going to help. We are going good and slow and enjoying the weather. It's really cold, and Mayur is there behind with me on his Interceptor. There's a truck coming. Wow. I think we are going to cover good speeds, and we are feeling fresh, to be honest. We are enjoying the ride, talking to each other. You all must have seen my previous video when I had come in monsoons, enjoying the waterfalls here, and that's the key. And this is what usually happens. People around clicking photos. Look at this view. Great stuff. We need to go Ganpatipule, so we are not going to stop here. Iconic Dongar. कुठे मागे राहिलंस का? हां नाही, म्हणजे चालू असं काय नाही भाई. नोरा 5वी बलिनो दिसली भाई मला आज. This should be a familiar place to y'all. Obviously we are in Tamini Ghat and we should stop here. So that's what we've done. Mayur is all ready, and now check the drone shot. एक बस एक ट्रक है. टर्नची चव घालवली त्यांनी. Tamini Ghat section is over. We've taken the first left from for going towards Mangaon. And yeah, so far it's quite fun. And the fact that we were able to cover so much distance. Right नहीं तक. The plan right now is to reach Ganpatipure. We will look for a room there, and today we are planning to go to Arevare. We'll explore both the beaches, play a little bit of football. Another left, and then we go straight up to the highway. At Mangaon, taking the left, and usually here you find a lot of people because it's quite busy. It's the main road, and this is every time. Yet we don't have that much traffic because it's just 7:40 right now. Roads are fantastic, but yet there is still more distance to cover, so we'll come to know what is happening further. But so far it's all fun. Now time to buckle up. It's a very good road. This is technically a Goa highway, so I think we'll pull off more kilometers on this straight and hopefully cover and catch up more. It's my birthday tomorrow and it's Shubham's birthday today, so we had decided that we'll go to Ganpatipure. First stop of the day after 150 kilometers. I mean, we did stop at Tamini Ghat, but that was just for field road short, so that was hardly 5 minutes. We'll eat something and refresh, and then straight head back onto the highway. Mayur having fruits. He's carried by himself. Quite dedicated with fast. काय सोमवार तो उपास. With this we have entered Chipadun, and everything looks the same. You feel as if you're going through Karad Kolhapur because everywhere there is bridges, there's work ongoing, and every road they are trying to make it as a bypass, and I don't know when this is going to complete. Let's see how it goes further. We'll probably take a small break. If not, we'll continue till the fuel stop happens. 11:58. We are at Ganpatipure. मस्त भाई. हाँ, या साईडला पार्किंग आहे मंदिराचं. इथंच भेटला पाहिजे स्टे. हे काय?
A few moments later.
Yep. So now we are planning to go to Arevare beach. Switched to Mayur's Interceptor 650, and what a pleasure to ride this bike. I mean, it's so smooth. So right now I'm not connected with the intercom, and you know, we just decided to come to Ganpatipure, like a small coastal ride to just, you know, get rid of our stress of our day-to-day life. I mean, we were continuously working, and there wasn't many rides that happened this year, so we are just here to roam around. Shubham was supposed to be there, but he's unfortunately not. I mean, he was not able to join us, but it's still all right. It's his village any which way, so he always comes here. But this is beautiful. Beaches are always something that refreshes at least my mind. I love going to Dapoli, these all places, and it's such a scenic view, I must say. Look at this. This is grand. We just decided to go a little slow and, you know, check out the places here. Arevare beach is really famous and great to see, and I've just found a helipad. Let's see. हेलिपॅड भाई काय इथं काय फोटो काढणार पण
काय नाही काढू जर तू हॉरिझॉन्टल असला तर नाही 90 डिग्री तर केला
not that interesting, but that's all right. हाँ. Oh. Wow. I'm not sure if the camera is going to capture, but it's really beautiful. It's a reveal. Wow, dude, there are boats. सही होता भाई, उतरल्या I've usually taken motorcycles on the beach in Dapoli, but we can see if we can do it here as well. So this is the Arevare pool. New day, new start. Saying bye to a stay, and now we are heading towards Ratnagiri side. जाऊ उडू
हा ये सरळ जा.
ओ लाईट हाऊस. हा अरे जाऊ मग तिकडं, भारी वाटतंय. हा हा तेच बोललो. चल You have arrived. कुठे? ओ अरे ब्रो काय सेक्सी दिसतंय. अच्छा तेवढंच आहे काय?
हे बाई इथून जायला लागतं, असं खाली जायला लागतं तिकडं.
हा.
तिकडून मग इथं जातो आणि मग तिकडून मग खाली तिकडे खाली जायचं रस्ता. पण तो खाली तिकडून खाली जायचा रस्ता असा स्लीप येतो.
जायचं तुला? तिकडंच लवकर. with the luggage on. It's time to say goodbye and conclude our Konkan ride. What an experience. My mind is just refreshed. All of a sudden don't feel like going back home. But it is what it is. And with this, our Konkan trip is over. Chalo. Chalo, let's go.
This time could be the norm. Na na na, this time. This time.
Thanks for watching the video. I hope you all liked it. Please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to make more content and trying to improve and explore more places so that I can bring that up to you all. Thanks for watching. Take care. Peace.